Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change from a personal to business Instagram easily in 2023. Firstly, go on, open up Instagram on your phone, tap your profile in the bottom right hand corner and tap the three dots at the top. Then select settings and privacy at the very top. Now scroll all the way down until you see account, wait for this coming, account type and tools. Simply select that. And then what you'll be able to do is change from a business to personal or personal to business as I just did. So I'm switching to a professional account for free right here, where I can get data insights, reach new people, and collect contact and give out my contact information if I'd like to. So then ask me, what do I want to be, or what do I want the label to have on my page? For me, that's becoming and labeling it as an actor page. And so once I select this, I can then pretty much get all of the tools as a creator that are required. Now, the benefits of this are that mostly it helps you reach new people and some of your stuff is more likely to be publicized. But I hope you found this tutorial very helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you again soon.